Hello, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com, and I'm making a video for Manu, who is asking some questions about some of our past winners in the last month to month and a half. And I just wanted to share it with you, and I'm sorry it took so long. I've had a lot of things going on recently, as you know, with the markets. So what I'm going to do is I went through my database, and I just grabbed some of the stocks that we've been involved with or that were on the key list in, mid-April through May. Though, not all of them, but just a good smattering of what we have, okay? And so I'm going to run through these. The first chart we're looking at is a Biomed. Key list entry right here, and you can see this very clean and simple base, and it had a great volume surge when it lifted through there, right around 313 a share. 313 to 314, and again, you can see the large volume pickup, and it's trading here near 400. So there's one of them, all right? Here's another one, Amazon. This is recently, you know about this one, I'm sure, at the end of May, and it's moving up for us. We're up over 60 points in this, all right? And that's working nicely. That's another one for us. I think we traded it here too, but I can't remember. But I know this one for sure. We're in it now. So there's this one. Baidu lifted off right here through these spots, ran up. We sold some into strength and took some gains, and then when it gapped down, we sold the rest off right near here. So yes, we made money on Baidu. Some of those shares were selling for 20 points plus. Bowsen right here in mid-May, lifted through here, stayed around 51.50, and it's moving on up about 10 points. Just a nice long base, and it lifted out on volume. That was a keyless stock, trending for us. All right. Here's Netflix. I'm sure you know about this one. Netflix right here, lifted through there, and we're in it. And we actually bought some here, and it's just kind of grinding up for us. So we're in it, moving on up. It's gapping up after hours tonight a little bit, but it's moved up 20 some odd points. Here's another one for us. We had Solar Edge right here. Solar Edge right here was on the key list. Lifted off, formed this pennant, fell out of it, and you're out of it. So you're in. You say you're in for $58. We'll say 58, runs up. We always sell some into strength. Always. Sell the rest of it when it starts to fall on volume for still a profit. There's one. Talent right here. This was on the key list. I can document every one of these, by the way. Talent lifting through here in May. Nice, long, clean, and simple base, and marched up. Not an explosive move, but it was good for 7 or 8 points. Starts to do this. You get action like this, that's adios for the kid. I'm not going to mess with this. You'll say, oh, it came back? I don't know that at the time. But again, just from 51 to 58, 7 points. That was one. Here's another one. Penn was on the key list right here. And we entered here on this day. Volume pickup on that day. Lifting off the 8-day. Longer base. 134. You could say 134. It's trading up. It's just walked up the 8-day. This stock has not closed down below the 8-day this whole move. That's 30 points. It is yet to close below the 8-day this whole move. There you go. That was on the key list. QLD, you know about that one. We've got that. We also picked it up right down here. That's nice right there. That looks great for us. We have that. We still have that. SQ, right in here. There was an entry right there. And we're letting it work. There we go. We'll see what it can do. Go the other way here. HFC, keyless stock, first part of April. Right there. I'm going to do something for you I think you'll like. You can see it's forming this here, and this volume caught my eye. Going across here, there was like a downward sloping trend line. Let me show you something here that I like to do. Kind of a downward sloping trend line. And this is what I liked. It ran up and reversed down on relatively low volume. But this day caught my eye, that volume pickup. And the next day, you're in it. Say you're in it for 50, 60 a share. Just advancing it. And you can see, there you go. That's it. What did it do? It walked up the 8-day. Keyless stock right there. This is another one that's been good. Keyless entry right there. Look at the volume surge on that. I'll show you something here. Really nice. Here's the base. Nice long downward sloping trend line. Going sideways, couple of quiet days, and then boom. Look at the volume surge that day. And it just walks on up the 8-day. And that's nice. Now, do they all do that? No, not all the time. But it's what we look for. That's just a handful of what we've done. There's others. I mean, there's current ones that we're in right now, that are working. I mean, Amazon is like right here. We're coming into June now, but that's 60 points. Those are the ones. Have we had losers? Yeah, and I'll be very honest. I take them off, and I don't watch them and look for a second entry. But this is one thing that I think is very, very important. I am very, very focused on clean and simple chart entries. A really precise entry will give me a really precise exit if it falls back into the base. I don't wait for 5% or 7%. I want to get out for a very, very small losses. That's one of my philosophies, and that's why I don't do a ton of different stocks, because if it's not a clean base, I'm not going to do it. I want a clean shelf. Very simple right here. Let's do this. Amazon, look at this. I pointed this out to the VIP. You're probably in there. VIPs, if it takes this out, it goes across here. Look at the volume pickup. Boom, we're in it. And there you go. There you go. That's it. So, Manu, I hope that helps you. I really focus on extremely clean and simple chart formations so everybody can see it and they will act on it also. So there's a good smattering of what we've done just recently, the last 4 weeks, we'll say, and it gives you an idea. Go through and watch the video. You'll say, those are simple bases. Those are easy to do. By the way, they're always in leading groups, and they always have great either earnings and or revenues. That's what we're after. I hope that helps you, and I thank you so much.